Hello, America. We're going to blow up a Peep using a firecracker this year.
Okay, this is Exploding Peep Take 2. Here's your Peep. Here's your M80. We're gonna go in the top this time so we can get the full explosion. We don't want to waste any energy. Oh no, I'm just enjoying Easter. What is this red thing you've stuck in my belly? Don't worry, Mr. Peep. Doctor's orders. You won't feel a thing. Trust me. This is gonna hurt you worse than it's gonna hurt us.
That's it. That's it, America. You're the victim, the explosive, and the cat.
Okay.
Now let's have the ignition.
Okay.
You're gonna blow up another one?
Yep.
Wait, let me get the kitty.
And the cat is going, and the ignition is on.
Is he a neighborhood kitty or is he an official? No, I think he's
There we go, America. There he went.
he knew what was coming. Yeah, I think he knew what was coming.
And the shattered remains. And some more shattered remains.
It's got parts of the firecracker in it.
More shattered remains.
I love that smell.
I guess that's it. Happy Easter.